Wow. Oh my. A little bit. I don't know what he thinks. Oh my gosh, Brent, you got to come in. Oh, Brent. Okay, we are at the trailhead for the Indian Rock House. This is going to take us back to the past. Let's go. So it's about a 3.5 mile round trip hike. So I brought some water, look at there, ready to go, and a couple little snacks. Beautiful trail. So if you decide to do this, you go to Buffalo Point Campground. That's where the ranger station is. Get a map. Brent got us a map. So we're gonna walk and go see this old Indian house. This house where for thousands of years people lived. That's where they lived. So we'll see if it's fun, see if it's worth it, let you guys know. Okay, we found the sinkhole. It's gonna be our first stop right down there. Hope you guys can see that. There it is. Hey, Brent.
Hey, buddy.
This is about as spectacular view as you're gonna get. This is of the waterfall. Look at this. There's Brent down there. And look at this waterfall. Absolutely spectacular. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Steps are like put in place, give you nice stairs to go down. You still have to watch your footing, but better than nothing. Let's check this out. Wow, this must be, I don't know, a big hole looks like. I saw these at Lowe's the other day for sale. Okay, it was a zinc mine. Let's go check it out.
It was a zinc mine, not gold.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Smash that subscribe button right now, guys, for more adventure. We are taking you down, down, down. Oh, I knew I should have brought, oh, I did bring my flashlight. Oh. Okay, just as an afterthought, I brought this flashlight. So let's take a look inside. I got a duck, super low. Widen this out a little bit. I don't know what he thinks. Oh my gosh, Brent, you got to come in. Oh, Brent. Look at this, guys. Wow. Just gorgeous. This is as wide as I can get my flashlight. I'm gonna head on up here. Look at this.
Can you stand up?
Yeah, you can stand up right here. You can stand up. All right, what you had?
Yeah. Okay.
Look at this, it's a little moist up here.
That's a cave.
You
We
think?
shouldn't be in. We're gonna die if we keep going.
It stops right there.
I live
This
in
is,
here.
this is about as big as it was. Here, you can film over there.
Yeah.
Get that shot. Look how deep it goes. There is wood down there. Like people threw some wood down there. And look, that looks like a door, a secret door. That doesn't look like a real rocks. That's a secret door made by Johnny Morris.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let's go open it. Wow. So cool. All right. I'm going to skedaddle out of here. All right. Only the best adventures here on Magician Word.
Well, unless this is stuff with bedrock.
Yeah.
That's where it is.
Look at these. This is just amazing what water can do. Okay, this is it. This is our destination. Check this out. This is the Indian Rock House. Huge. Guys, this is unbelievable. Well worth the hike. There is a creek running through this cave. What?
It was running a lot faster the last time I was here. I think it may have rained or something.
Actually, mammoth inside here. You could play football in here. This is extraordinary. Absolutely amazing. 3.5 miles there and back. You got to do it, guys. If you can walk it, you got to do it. Friends, I am hard pressed to think of another walking trail that has this many cool things to look at. From the zinc mine, to the waterfall, to the sculpted bedrock, and then the grand finale, the Indian Rock House. This place is amazing. And what's amazing is how hidden it really is. It's just, you might walk right by it if you didn't know it was there.
Oh, maybe this is the bathtub. That's what this is.
Check the map. Natural bathtub right there. And Brent, $10 if you take a natural bath in it.
No thanks.
$10, dude.
Ain't happening.
Come on.
Keep your money.
Okay, so we are now hiking out of here. And it's a little more uphill on the way back. So keep that in mind. Save a little bit of water for your way back. Be sure and stop at that ranger station on the way. And so you can get a map. The important thing is to get out and do it. One eternity later. Tree!
My pace is slowing, I know.
Oh, my pace is slowing. I'm ready for a break. Okay, we are taking a little break. The way out is it's tougher than the way in because it's uphill most of the way. So, like I said earlier, save your water for the way out. They said this was an intermediate hike, so it's been great though. Something to do. So the trail, as you can tell, goes straight down. And it's not going down, it's going up because you're coming up. And it's at the very end. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you clowns on the rebound. Woo! We did it. Friends, we hiked the Indian Rock House Trail. We saw the rock house. Thanks for joining us. Be sure and subscribe because you don't want to miss our other adventures, especially this one right here where we go on the Buffalo River. Check this out, Buffalo River Adventure coming at you. See you next time.